Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on really quick and give you a really quick tip. I've had a lot of people send me a DM message on my Instagram. I've had messages in my YouTube inbox, and people sent me emails. And the one that caught my eye was one of the girls in the PlannergirlShack group. Hey, girl. She asked me, she said, okay, how did you separate those boxes? Like, how did you get them out of the kit itself? And I was busy with homeschool and I wanted to get that done really, really quick. And then I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and make a video. And then when I went to check my messages, I saw that a lot of people have been asking that question. I, in no way, shape, or form or fashion, can take credit for this because I learned it from the PlannergirlShack PR squad. One of my planner besties, Sonia, who has her own shop, IconicImperfections. Go check her out. Her stuff is bomb.com. She taught me how to do this, and I made sure I asked her, I was like, girl, can I get on and tell the people how we do this? And she said, girl, do your thing. So I am hopping on here to tell you how I did it. So when you click on your cut file, this will pop up and all of your settings will show here, all that good stuff. What you do first is I go here, go to panels. Now, there are several different ways to do this, and if I find the other way, I'll make sure I mention it in my next plan with me. But the way that I do it is I go here to panels, and hopefully you guys can see that. I don't know if I have it, but right above where it'll say Silhouette Studio File Edit View Panels, you're going to go to panels, you're going to click on panels, and then you're going to come down and click on select by color. I go there, and this is going to pop up. You're going to click on by line. You're going to take the blue and you're going to hit delete. Hit your delete button. That will take that blue cut file away. The next thing you want to do is zoom out. You're going to take your mouse, right click, or if you have a Mac, you want to hold it down and highlight everything. Boom, you want to go there. And then you want to either go here to, nope, that's not the right one, Meeks. Lower. I never know how to do it from the side panel. So I'm not even going to show you that. I don't even want to confuse you. You're just going to go to Object. This is what I do. Object. This next to Panels. Object. Modify. Scroll over and you're going to click on Crop. Let me tell you that again. After you get rid of that blue cut file, you want to right click. You want to click and highlight everything. Grab everything. Make sure everything is selected. Then you want to come next up here and click on, oh, hold on, wait a minute, I clicked out. Make sure you got everything highlighted. Click on Object, Modify, and then Crop. Once you click Crop, you'll be like, oh no, something disappeared. It's okay, it's just the shop file. And then once you do that, your files are movable. Isn't that great? Look at that. Won't he do it? So if you want to plan like I've been planning, I am more than happy to give you guys details on how to do it. But what I usually do is I go through that whole method and I highlight what I need. I'm like, okay, I need this. I take it here and I put it to the side. And this is the prep work that I do before I do my plan with me's. And I'm like, okay, I'm gonna need that. I think I want that one. I want this one. And then maybe I want the bill stickers, so I'll highlight and get both of those. And then make sure I have those there. And then what I do is I highlight it, right click, and I copy, and then I come here, and this would be my template page that I usually have. I'll right click and paste, and then I'll have everything off to the side, and I'll do that with all my pages just like you saw in my plan with me. And then once I have my template, I can go in and start, putting stuff down like I was just gonna lay it down in my planner. Or if you want to do this so you can just print the files that you want, if you're finding yourself having a lot of extra files, You can do this method the same way that I did. Click on panels, select by color, you know, do it by line, and then there'll be the blue. You delete the blue, and then you come back, you highlight everything, you click on object, you click on modify, then you click on crop. You take everything out, and you're like, I want this one, I want this one, and I want these. And I want to print those out with whatever else you want to have. Then you're like, how am I going to cut it out? I don't know how to do cut files. You highlight it, you go up to this little square here, click on red, and then like magic, your cut files are already there. So I really hope this helped everyone out. If you have any more questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. I love when you guys give me questions, and I love that I can help you out. But this works with just about any printable. There are some difficult printables where you have to use the slicing tool to cut them, and but we'll talk about that later. This is just with the PlannerShack. I know that I can do this format to cut and paste and all that good stuff. So, like I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tickle the notification bell to let you know when I post a new video. And please like my channel. It really helps my channel out. I'm a small channel, but you liking my video truly helps me out. Okay, I will chat with you guys in the next one. Bye guys.